How to fix GTA 5 textures not loading glitch easy and quick. If you want to fix it, right click on GTA 5, go to properties, compatibility, and go to change settings for all users. You will find it like that. Now just click run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7 and then enable those two options here and click apply and OK again. And after that, just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, just try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next method. Now just right click on your desktop, and if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will find here NVIDIA control panel. Click on it and then just wait, and here we'll find your NVIDIA control panel settings. Then click use my preference and move it to performance and click apply and close it. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.